Today's video, I'll show you how to automatically fix iPhone software issues with the new iOS 27 recovery menu. On iOS 27, which is the new version of iOS, that isn't yet officially released, so if you don't have it, if you haven't installed the beta, probably you don't have it. But if you're watching this in September or later, then feel free to follow it. I can, of course, check it, but sometimes you can't check it if it's not working. But in my case, that's a 27 iOS in the settings. So now let's enter the recovery mode. Sometimes it automatically enters it, of course, but let's press and hold and power in either of the volume buttons at the same time. Sorry, one more time. Let's slide to power off and now wait half a minute at least to make sure that the phone is fully off. After half a minute, start pressing and holding the power button for a longer period of time. So the Apple logo shows up, then the text that says continue holding for recovery. When it changes to loading recovery options, you will be able to release it, just like in my case. Now, once you've released it, wait until it gets into the recovery options. Now this is the recovery mode in iOS 27. Then the automatic software issue fixer is recovery assistant. It doesn't delete your data. It fixes issues with preserving your data, which is great. You can just go into it, then click on continue. Now you can select whether you want to send data to Apple or not. This is diagnostic data. You can send it, of course, feel free to. Enter your passcode and then connect to a Wi-Fi network so it can communicate with the server. Approve it. And in a moment, we can continue. Now it says the recovery is underway. In my case, there were no issues, but after, if there were any that were known and the iPhone could fix them, it would tell you and it would start fixing them automatically. Now you can restart your iPhone if it fixed anything. If it didn't, then you can go back to recovery mode, and after restarting your iPhone, it'll either automatically go there or you can go there manually. And then you can try other things. There are videos on how to use the other features like erasing your iPhone or how to recover with a computer. So feel free to check out other videos on our channel. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.